Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. I actually thought this one was lost, and then no, it was buried under some stuff of mine, and it's been sitting here for a few. So I want to apologize to the company, which is Colorfuldiy. They emailed me and was like, are you going to do your video? And I was like, I don't think I have it. And all along it was sitting over here. So I hope everyone's having a great day. Here it is. We are in November. So yeah, it's cold. So instead of everybody griping about it being hot, now everybody's going to start griping about it being freezing cold. And I'm one of them. So, alright. Let me get into this because I have let this company wait long enough for this unbagging. Alright, so the first thing that I am going to pull out from Colorfuldiy is this one. And I thought this was really cute, and I have a few like this in my stash, but not many. The canvas is extremely stiff, so I am fixing to roll this back. So it comes with a regular toolkit, which is your green boat, your pink wax, and pink single placer pen. That is all you need to do a diamond painting. And then you can see that we have got crystals. So this is the image. I hope y'all can see this. This is the image that I got, and I thought she was pretty. I've seen her for a while. She's not new. It's an older canvas, but it's still pretty. But she was $4.99. And I just made that a whole lot worse than what it is, or what it was. Wow. It is a 30 by 40. It has got 8 colors. See if I can do this a little bit better. I might have to get my tool out. I usually can do it with my arm. And then after I get done with my video, then I get my scraper thingy out and I'll go over it and make it even flatter. And then I'll put them in my book. So, as you can see, and I apologize for the light, I might have to turn one on, but I thought maybe I could do this in natural light setting. This has got 8 colors. It does have the chart. It is a 30 by 40, and she is very pretty, very clear, very sticky, and she is a partial. So let's look at the drills. Sorry about all the crinkly noise, but that's what happens when you deal with plastic. Alright, so we have reds and greens, purple, blue, some gold. Ooh, look at those. Can y'all see that? It's like an iridescent bluish purple. And then we've got some like very light green. Very pretty crystals. And again, $4.99. And it was just called Girl. That was the name of the canvas, Girl. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put her over to the side. And then we'll get this other one, which I thought was absolutely stinking cute. All right. And again, just regular toolkit. And these are bagged up in the diamond baggies. And as you can see, the colors are very bright, very vivid, pretty, but they don't have anything on here indicating what canvas this goes to. So we have all been saying that they need to put a label on the drills so that we know what canvas they go to. Because for all I know, they could have just grabbed a bag of drills and threw them in here, and we may not, well, this bag of drills may not even actually go to this. We don't know, because there's nothing on here saying that this goes to this canvas. So, if you, like me, I separate my drills and my canvas. I didn't used to, but then I got so many that I was having to. I will write on this bag with a Sharpie the canvas number and some kind of description. So they need to start doing that. So this is what I got. This is a little 30 by 30. Right there's the number. So I will take and I will write this. Let me see. Where is mine? Let me grab a Sharpie. So this is what I do. Okay, so this is B7365. And I'll just put pig with an umbrella. And then that way I know that that goes with this, because there's the canvas number. And then on the back, I'll put down here on the bottom, pig with umbrella, so that I know that that bag title goes with this title. So that's how I do it. So, and I do that with all of my bags of drills, regardless of whether or not it has a label on there saying who, what, where. I always rewrite it so that I know what it is. So, I thought he was very cute. I love his colors. Very sticky. And this will flatten out eventually. But it has got 23 colors. Looks like we're just using the alphabet. And it is DMC charted. And you can see it is very clear. Very cute. We've got a pig. It's raining. You can see the rain coming down. He's got his umbrella with flowers on it. And then we got the flowers on the back, or on the sides. Puts me in mind of spring. So it's very cute canvas. And this is called Umbrella Animal Piggy. And it was $3.99. Now, this is actually a whole series. I liked the pig the best. But there is a cow. There is, I think a cat, maybe 2 cats. I don't remember, but there's a whole bunch of them. So, there's that one. I'm going to put that to the side. And then I'm going to get out the last one that I got. And I thought it was super cool. Will I get to it this year? Probably not. It's kind of a big one. But I liked it. Alright, so let me get this folded out. Now, this one is a 70 by 40. It was $10.99. And you can see it comes with a regular toolkit. It comes with the little drills. in the baggies, or the little bags, and then it comes with this big honking bag of white. And you'll know why here in just a second. So, this is what I got. And I hope I can get all of this in the screen. So, I thought this was cute. I have a Halloween one. And I seen the Christmas one, and I thought, oh, I got to get the Christmas one too. And y'all know me, if you've been following me, I may end up getting one for every holiday if they make them. Now, whether I get to them or not and get them done before that holiday is another question. So, this has got 22 colors. Okay, so you can see that we have 3 holidays right here. And it says Happythankmas, because that's exactly how it is. It's like Halloween comes and then it's like bam, bam, bam. You've got Thanksgiving and Christmas. I do have the, like I said, I've got a Halloween one, I think is what it was. It was either a Halloween one or maybe I do have the Christmas. I don't remember, but I've got one that's like this. So, I thought it was cute. It's very pretty. 22 colors, all alphabetized and DMC. Very sticky. Extremely clear. It is very, very clear. So, but you got your bats over here. You got your fall leaves right here. You got snowflakes right here. But I really like this one. And like I said, this is a 70 by 40. And it was only $10.99. So that's not bad at all. So yeah. Alright, so that is the end of my haul with Colorful DIY. Now, they have actually changed the name of their company, and it is now Colorfuldiy Craft. They just stuck Craft on the end, okay? But they have got some sales going on, so y'all go check them out. I will leave a link to all of these. If they're still in stock, I will leave a link to them in my description box. And yeah, like I said, and I apologize to them because I thought, I didn't realize I had this. I don't know if it is because sometimes my daughter goes and gets the mail. Sometimes the mailman leaves it at the door. Sometimes my husband goes and gets it, and most of the time they're really good about bringing it and putting it in my spot. But sometimes stuff gets moved. So yeah, it was hidden. So, and I've let them know that I do have it, and I am making the video, and that I am sorry that it is late. It's not like really, really late. I mean, I've had this for maybe 2 weeks, and usually I'm like, right, bam, bam, bam. As soon as I get the package, I do the video, and I post it within, a week or so. So, I might have had this one for maybe 3 weeks. So, all right, y'all. Go check out my description box for the links, any codes or anything, discount codes. If I have one, they will all be in the description box. Please make sure you do all the YouTube things, like, share if you want, leave me a comment, subscribe, please, if you haven't already. And that's it. That's all I got. And I am fixing to go and get a drink so that I can do another video. So until my next one, y'all, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.